How is it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video. Excuse the music in the background. We are at Sideways Performance and the neighbors are having one hell of a party. But today we are going to be working on Project WAP, and I might be doing a little bit of work on the Mark IV Supra itself. I want to raise it up a little bit. It's a little bit too low. I went to a little baby canyon yesterday and I was just scraping my fucking exhaust around like a fucking old man's nutsack. So I really want to raise it, but we got to knock out a couple things on Project WAP. I'm on like no sleep. So let me show you guys what we got going on. All right, guys, we're inside now. Project WAP is right here, looking real nice. Rob and I, a couple weeks ago, pulled the original 3.8 liter, dropped in the 2JZ GE right here. Single turbo, he fabbed all of this up, and it fits absolutely amazing. We have, what radiator is this? S13 SR20 radiator right here. And so today we are installing the new master for the brakes and the clutch, because the intake manifold is so big there's no way in fuck you can fit a factory one. The factory booster is right there and it's as big as the master itself, so the new one doesn't even fit. So we have to fab this up and make it look real clean, and also get the master in for the slave cylinder, and then we should be good to go. Couple minor issues here and there, but that's all to be expected when you're dropping in an engine that's not supposed to be in a car, like a 2JZ into a fucking V6 Ford Mustang. But looking at it with the big ass intercooler, I mean, it just looks already super aggressive and super fucking sick. All right, guys, let me give you guys a quick update on what we're doing. So far we have the new master for the brakes mounted, the new master for the clutch mounted, which looks really sick, by the way. We have to get a new brake line made, or a new 2 brake lines made for the new master because they don't fit. We have to go get a fitting for the master for the clutch, and then we have to have a high pressure power steering line or some shit made for the power steering pump, so that way all of that works. And then that will be pretty much good to go, and we can mount up the intake manifold once we go ahead and chop it, which is over here. We just have to cut it. I don't know if we're gonna do a straight edge like that, or a little angle cut or something like that, I don't know. But we got to get that cut and then welded and make sure that it's not gonna leak or anything, and that it's good and that it's beautiful, and then we should be good to go. So Rob and I are gonna go ahead and head over to the hose shop. We're gonna have those custom lines made, make it look really nice, really pretty, have it so there will be no issues. We're gonna install them really quick, and then we should be good to go on the Mustang. Then we can finally start working on the Supra. All right, guys, we are wrapping it up for the day on Project WAP, and this is what we got done. This is how it's looking right now. We got the brake master mounted, the clutch master mounted, and it is looking super race car back there. Like, that looks really clean. The McLeod Master is beautiful. I don't know what they do to make it look so cool, but it just looks great. And it's weird how it fits. There's no actual bracket holding it on. It's just the cable in there that's kind of holding it. So it does kind of wiggle, which is weird, but I mean, whatever. If McLeod says it works, it works. This is what I was talking about earlier. We did have to chop into this to make it fit. I mean, look at how much that master cylinder just fits in there. I mean, it's a tight fit, and we cut off as little as we needed, and it still is like a really tight fit. So we got to get that welded. Obviously, we're not leaving that open. That is not a breather, so we have to get that welded. What we also have to do is get the exhaust made, drive shaft made, run the fuel lines, run the wires and all the computer shit and all that fun stuff that I hate, and it is pretty much good to go. It is ready to hit the dyno, which is good news because I'm very excited, and I know you guys are too. Shit happens and little things have to be custom like this. I already know a few of you guys in the comments are gonna say some dumb shit, but it's a drift car. I mean, look at it. It's a fucking 2JZ in a Mustang. I mean, this isn't a holy picture anyways. It's beautiful, don't get me wrong, but by no means should anyone be doing this, and we did it, so it looks really good. Rob is amazing at what he does, and this is just turning out really good. So we are done for the day. We will come back in a couple days and see how it is going, but for now I think we're good. We're just waiting on a couple parts, and then we're pretty much ready for dyno. By the way, guys, I mean, if you guys are looking for a 2JZ specialist, I mean, look at this. Supra, 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 look behind me. Supra, Supra, Aristo. Look at all these 2Js just everywhere, just lying around, man. We got 2JZs for everything. So, and here's a perfect example of what Rob's capable of, and it is coming out great. Guys, comment down below what color you think I should wrap Project WAP right here. I already have something in mind, but I want to hear what you guys think down in the comments. So let me know, what color would you wrap this thing, and what color would you do the wheels? It is a drift car, so keep that in mind. What color would you guys do it? So anyways, let's go to my parents' house and let's work on the Supra. Alright guys, we made it. The lighting is going to be a little bit dog shit because the sun is slowly setting and it's at that awkward stage of like not bright out and not dark out yet. But anyways, we have the new carbon fiber wing for the Supra. This is the factory wing and I love the style of it, and I'll explain why. Because it just flows. It just, look at the body lines. I've already talked about it before. It just flows. Now this one does have some body work and it looks like it's shrinking, so it's like cracking up here. And so I just figured it was a good time to get a new wing, so we went with a carbon fiber wing. Same style, just carbon fiber. Drew, why would you buy the same wing but in carbon fiber? That's a waste of money. Because I love the wing and it looks great. I mean, just look at it. It's a beautiful fucking wing. Doesn't get better than that. So we're gonna go ahead and install that wing. It's not gonna stay raw carbon fiber forever. Same with the hood. I'm actually planning on wrapping it. Now, I will let you guys guess the color down in the comments down below. I already have it picked out. My wrap guy already knows. I'm just waiting on some new side skirts and my front lip, and then we are good to go, and we are going to wrap the Supra. We're gonna wrap Project WAP. Project WAP's new hood is right there. We actually got the Cobra Terminator hood. So once the wide body kit comes in, we'll install all of that, but I'll be rocking it as a sleeper for a little bit. But let's go ahead, open this thing up, enough chit chat, and let's see how it looks. All right, so I have yet to see it. I don't really want to cut through and scratch it. That would suck. Hey, nice new wing. Wait, what the fuck? Why does it look like someone tried to cut it open with a fucking pair of scissors? Let's see. It's an empty box. There's nothing in here. But no, it's on the other side. There we go. And of course, it's wrapped in bubble wrap. So let me go ahead and unsheath it and we'll take a look. All right, so I've yet to open it, so I'm gonna have you guys take a look at it with me for the first time. If I can figure out how to open it. You know, let's just tear through it. Ooh. Ooh, this is gonna look real nice. Oh my God, this is gonna fucking pop. So, like I said, I'm not a huge fan of exposed carbon. There's actual new gaskets for it, but I'm not a huge fan of it. But for now, this is going to look real minty until my side skirts come in, and then we can send it out to get wrapped. So looking at it inside, I already touched it, but damn, that is going to look super nice. I don't know, I might like the exposed look, but I already have an idea for when I wrap it to make it still show the carbon, but not necessarily be fully exposed. So let me go ahead and rip off the factory wing, which I've never done before, so this will be a first. I'm gonna set you guys up on a tripod, rip it off, and then we will toss on this bad boy and see how it looks out in the sun. In the sunlight, dude, it just fucking glistens, man. Wingless Toyota Supra, anyone? No one really rocks this. I mean, it doesn't look half bad, but I do think with the wing it looks a lot better. And obviously, since I have fucking holes, well, yeah, we got to go ahead and put back on the wing. And I understand why now a lot of water would get into my draining system or whatever. It's because I didn't have a damn gasket or anything, so it would just get straight in there. So let me go ahead and install the new gaskets onto the new wing, bolt it up really quick, and we'll be done. The new wing does weigh a little bit less, but it's nothing really to write home about. It just looks a lot cooler. Well, that's not good. That was the last thing I thought was gonna happen. I thought the carbon fiber would give out before a fucking screw does, but let me get this removed. Take a look at that. The sun finally setted, so that's great. Setted? The sun finally setted? Am I stupid? Anyways, the wing looks great. It almost gives it that like no wing look, but at the same time it's there. So it's like, whoa, am I right? I mean, it just makes it look a whole lot thicker. When all said and done, I just waxed it. I mean, it looks fucking wet. Look at it, dude. It looks so good. Like, if I knew it was gonna look this good, I would have done it way before. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a huge fan of exposed carbon like this. I feel like it looks a little bit tacky, especially when you got multiple panels of exposed carbon. But at the same time, man, like, I mean, fuck. Like, I get why people like it. It looks really clean. So this is now good, installed, firmly mounted. I'm not gonna touch it because I just waxed it, but It looks beautiful. Next is the side skirts. They're not here yet. I gotta wait for those to come, but I got some new skirts that are gonna look absolutely bitchin'. I ordered up a diffuser months ago, but it's on such a back order because of COVID and everything that it's gonna take a little bit longer to get here. I also ordered a new front lip carbon fiber as well. We're mainly just waiting on the side skirts, and then we can go ahead and wrap this bitch. And like I said, it's gonna be a different color. You guys will for sure maybe not see it coming, maybe you will, I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what color you think I should wrap this bitch. But anyway guys, I feel like overall today was really successful. We worked on the Supra, did a couple minor things there. I didn't adjust the coilovers, I wanted to, but I'll probably just go ahead and do that off camera because it's just too low. Like, it looks really good, don't get me wrong, but like you can't even fit your finger. Like it's really low, and the body panels itself aren't what's dragging, it's the damn exhaust, and the exhaust is like damn near as high as it can go. So we just got to raise it. I'm just gonna do like a 1/2 inch maybe, just to get it a little bit more up off the ground, stiffen up the springs a little bit, and we should be good to go. Project WAP is almost done, and I am fucking excited. The 3-valve Mustang is at the shop right now too. Also very excited. We got 3 builds going on at once. This one is getting a new fuel system very soon. So again, 3 builds at once. I am fucking broke. So if you guys really want to support the channel, pick up some merch, link in the description down below. Join the Discord, subscribe to see more videos like this one, and until next video, peace.